welcome back to Ani's Cooking Diary. So today let's learn how to make cheese balls, and they are very tasty and crispy, and which is loaded with cheese, and see how tasty they look. So try it at your home, you'll really love it. So first let's take boiled potatoes, and I have taken 4 boiled potatoes and I'm mashing it out so that there should be no lumps and all the potato gets mashed well. And once we have done mashing it well, into this let's add few sweet corn, and this sweet corn would really give a nice taste and flavor to these cheese balls. You can even add a carrot, a few finely chopped carrot pieces also, and give it a nice mix. And if you feel that adding the sweet corn is not comfortable for you, you can add the paste of the sweet corn. And into this let's add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and even you can add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, that is optional. And now into this let's add oregano seasonings, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oregano seasoning, and red chili powder, and you can even add red chili flakes, and salt per taste, and half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala, and half tablespoon of coriander powder. And now let's give it a nice mix. So that all the spices and corn flour, everything gets mixed well and it forms a nice dough. And once we have done mixing it well, into this I have added a little bit of rice flour so that it will not suck a lot of oil, and you can get a very nice crispy balls too if you add rice flour. And into a bowl let's take corn flour, and let's add some water, and this is for the sake of coating the cheese balls. And ensure that you should not add lot of water while mixing your corn flour. It should be a little bit of thick so that it will coat well. And breadcrumbs. And now into a kadai let's pour some oil, and within the oil get heated, let's make the cheese balls. And now let's take some dough into the hand, and in between this let's add a cheese cube, mozzarella cheese cube, and let's make it into a round ball. And one more thing, you should ensure that the mozzarella cheese cube should be coated very well, because once you add it in the oil, it will loosen out, and sometime the cheese will come out of the ball. So you should be very careful, and you should make it into a very nice round ball stuffed completely. And so once it's done, let's coat it with corn flour, and let's add it into the breadcrumb powder, and let's repeat it for the other balls also. So I have done making some balls, and the oil got heated. Let's drop out the balls and let's fry them till they turn golden brown. See, once they turn golden brown on the either sides, let's serve it out into a plate. And while frying this, you ensure that you should have a low flame so that the cheese inside gets melt well. And see how cheesy it is inside. And once it gets cooled, you can feel the elasticity in the cheese. And this is our tasty cheese balls. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and tap on the bell icon for the updates and notifications, and you'll be getting very wonderful